Hello, I'm excited to welcome you to our webinar. Thank you for taking the time to learn how a modern approach to business process automation and digital document management can help transform your company for the better.
Yes, exactly. At the core of every successful business are technologies. Today we will discuss digital document management. It is no longer a question of the future, but a must-have for every business.
For over 25 years, softXpansion has been helping businesses automate their document management processes. We specialize in solutions that make your workday more productive. Our clients include international companies across various industries, such as banking, agriculture, manufacturing, retail, pharmaceuticals, logistics, and more. The solutions and system we will showcase today are already helping dozens of companies and hundreds of employees work efficiently with processes and documents. Our success stories include large-scale projects for corporate clients as well as small and medium-sized businesses. With our experience and ready-to-use solutions, we significantly reduce implementation time, bring valuable expertise, and always strive to build long-term partnerships with our customers. Our 25 years of experience are filled with exciting projects, and we have developed significant expertise in automating various processes, such as contract management, procurement, HR, and archiving solutions. For nearly 15 years, we have been an official Microsoft partner, annually renewing our partner status and maintaining highly qualified development and implementation teams. Since 2022, we have been offering our own product for automating document management processes within the Microsoft 365 environment. Our solution combines our practical experience and addresses the most pressing business challenges, saving your time and resources. softXspace365 is designed to automate document management and business processes. It operates within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, enabling employees to work in a unified digital workspace. With this solution, you receive a fully functional product that meets all your business document management needs. It is built to make your business processes as simple, efficient, and scalable as possible. The system can be configured within days, and you will see results immediately after implementation. From the start, you get a catalog of processes that you can further expand, automating the operations of all company departments. Notably, you can modify processes independently without involving IT specialists, and the system easily adapts to your business growth. Manual document creation and approval, along with the use of paper-based workflows, negatively impact business efficiency today. They require more time, increase administrative costs, demand additional human resources, and complicate real-time tracking of document status. Ultimately, this leads to reduced company profitability. Research from leading firms such as McKinsey and Gartner shows that implementing automated business processes and electronic document management can reduce task completion time by 30 to 50%. This, in turn, can increase company profits by 15 to 25%, depending on the scale of implementation and the specifics of the business.
Hello. So how does our product work? Our solution is designed specifically for the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, which means it can be easily installed into your cloud environment without additional effort. Implementation is seamless, making it an integral part of your cloud infrastructure. This allows employees to continue working within familiar interfaces while benefiting from automation and business process management capabilities. The solution is built on Microsoft Power Platform, leveraging a suite of Logue tools that enable customization to meet your company's unique needs without requiring coding. Additionally, Microsoft Azure's cloud infrastructure ensures high security and reliability. If needed, AI-powered tools such as Microsoft Copilot, intelligent chatbots, and document recognition (OCR) functionalities can be integrated to further enhance automation capabilities. Deploying our solution does not require additional software or on-premises infrastructure. We guarantee fast installation and configuration tailored to your needs. Now, let's move on to the live demonstration of our solution. We will explore the system's key features and main sections and walk through the critical stages of document processing using a contract as an example. As mentioned earlier, users can work within familiar interfaces and from any device. Here, you can see that I have logged into my Microsoft 365 workspace with my account and am currently on the product's homepage. Users have the flexibility to choose the interface they prefer. For example, I have opened the solution in SharePoint. It can also be accessed via Microsoft Teams, where users will see the same homepage and system sections. Additionally, users can work from a web browser on a PC or laptop, tablet, mobile device, or through dedicated Microsoft applications. This ensures convenient 24/7 access to tasks and documents for all employees. Since our product seamlessly integrates into your Microsoft 365 cloud environment, you can work within familiar interfaces without requiring any additional software. The solution, along with all documents and files, is securely stored in your cloud, enabling you to continue working under your existing Microsoft 365 account with the added benefit of an automated business process management system. Exploring the system's homepage. The homepage serves as a personalized dashboard for each employee and acts as the main entry point into the system. On the homepage, users can view their assigned tasks, or if they are managers, tasks under their supervision. This page is where employees typically start their workday, checking tasks, tracking deadlines, and planning their schedules effectively. Another key feature is the Process and Service Catalog, which centralizes all company processes. Different employees have varying access levels. Some may work with contracts, internal documents, or procurement, while others can initiate a new document, request leave, submit administrative requests, or navigate to other company systems. Each catalog item represents a registry with its own forms, workflows, and templates. We'll explore this further using a contract processing example. The homepage may also include self-help resources, such as company policies and system guidelines, providing quick assistance for employees and reducing the workload on system administrators. A commonly used widget is Our Team, which displays the organizational structure by department and allows users to message or call colleagues directly from the interface. We've reviewed the default system layout, but it's important to note that the structure and design can be customized quickly and without coding, thanks to the flexibility of the system and the built-in no-code page builder. The system's navigation is intuitive and user-friendly. At the top of the page, the product menu is neatly organized into key sections. My Tasks allows users to sort tasks by type or priority for quick access. Documents provides shortcuts to various document registries categorized by type. Counterparties, a dedicated section for managing partners, clients, and suppliers. If your company already maintains an internal counterparty database, typically within an accounting system, we can integrate with it to synchronize data while configuring access rights and editing policies within our system. This ensures standardization and simplifies management. Templates, a library of pre-configured document templates that can be automatically generated using existing system data. We will explore this functionality shortly. Dashboard, a valuable tool for both employees and company management. Since all data is centralized, dashboards provide real-time insights into company operations, document processing efficiency, and employee workload. For instance, if the goal is to sign contracts within 3 days, but the process is taking longer, the dashboard can identify bottlenecks and help optimize workflows. E-archive, a structured repository for all documents, including signed ones. Each folder represents a specific document, e.g. contracts or invoices. Users can search for documents, view related files, and export data based on categories such as document type or counterparty. Archival policies and workflows can also be customized. Admin panel, a dedicated area for system administrators, which we will explore later in the demonstration. This menu reflects the default configuration, but it can be fully customized to match your company's unique needs. The built-in menu constructor allows users to modify sections, rename items, and create custom links to other systems, ensuring a tailored experience. Now let's explore document processing within the system using a contract as an example. Let's move on to the contract registry. As I mentioned earlier, all documents are conveniently categorized by type. Each document type, such as a contract, has its own dedicated registry. The appearance of the registry, column order, and access permissions can be easily customized to meet specific needs. Naturally, not everyone requires access to contracts or purchase requests, while managers, for example, need full access to all data. This can be configured effortlessly. A particularly useful feature is the ability to create personalized document views. Users can select only the columns, filters, and other parameters they need and save them for future use, ensuring quick and easy access to relevant information. Overall, the document registry ensures efficient data organization. Users can quickly locate the required document using filters or full-text search. For example, I can use the filter panel to select only supply contracts, and the system will instantly retrieve the relevant records. If I need to find a contract by its number, such as 1007, I simply enter it into the search bar, and the system finds it immediately. Additionally, users can perform searches within the actual text of the documents themselves, making it easy to locate specific content. Let's create a new document. The user needs to fill in the essential document details, such as the title, category, and document type. Based on these selections, the system automatically generates the document form, loads the appropriate templates, and initiates the relevant workflows. As we can see, the corresponding document form has been created. Since we're working with a contract, the displayed fields are tailored accordingly. At the top of the document form, we have action buttons to manage the document and key information displayed for quick reference. The form is structured into several tabs, which we will review shortly. It's important to note that what we're looking at is the standard version of the solution. Your organization may require additional fields, tabs, or reference directories. The system's flexibility allows these elements to be customized without any programming. For example, during implementation, we can add custom fields to the document form to meet your specific business needs. Let's proceed with filling out the document fields. We'll select the counterparty we are contracting with, specify our company, enter the contract number, date, amount, and currency. The contract number can be generated automatically based on pre-configured numbering rules that align with your organization's standards. Once the data is entered, we save the document, and all information is securely stored within the system. Before we move on to working with files and processes, let's take a look at the counterparty form. This is especially important in the context of contract management. At the top, there is a dedicated button to open the counterparty form for the partner we previously selected. Alternatively, I can access this form from the counterparty registry, which we reviewed earlier. Essentially, the counterparty form serves as your central hub for managing all information related to the partner. It provides an overview of key details, including the counterparty's information and cooperation status. The structure is similar to the document form. It contains general information and an attachments tab. For example, if it's crucial to track important counterparty documents such as certificates, the responsible manager can upload them here. Additionally, there are tabs for storing details such as banking information, addresses, and contacts. The system can also aggregate transaction data and set reminders. For instance, I can create a reminder for the manager to check and update the counterparty's information annually. This way, while working with a contract or any other document, users can instantly verify counterparty details, review interaction history, and check statuses, significantly accelerating decision-making processes. As previously mentioned, our solution seamlessly integrates with accounting systems. In this unified format, you can access the data synchronized from your ERP system. Now let's return to our contract. Of course, an essential part of any contract is the contract file itself. Let's take a look at how we can upload files and generate documents using templates. We'll navigate to the Attachments section. Here, in a convenient tree view structure, we can see all related documents. For example, under the contract, we might have additional agreements, acceptance certificates, and other related files. This structured approach makes daily work much easier. Everything is in one place, allowing me to quickly access the document I need. By the way, this is also where you can find Counterparty files under the corresponding tab. The system offers two ways to add files. One, uploading an existing document. Two, generating a document using a template. Let's start with a simple file upload. I select the Upload Document option, choose the type of file I'm adding, such as a draft contract, then select the file from my computer, and the upload process begins. As I mentioned earlier, all files are securely stored in your cloud environment in a structured manner. Once uploaded, the file appears in the corresponding folder. I can view its details and even take advantage of a quick preview feature. This is especially useful when dealing with a large number of files, eliminating the need to open each one individually. Although documents can be opened both in the online and desktop versions of Microsoft Word, I also have quick action options to instantly sign the document or download the original file. We'll cover the signing process later. For now, let's open the document in the online version. As you can see, the familiar online document editor loads, allowing me to work on the document from any device, anytime. It fully supports collaborative editing, reviewing, commenting, and version history tracking. Now, let's explore how document generation works using templates. Templates allow you to create standardized documents within minutes, saving time, minimizing errors, and ensuring compliance with corporate standards. For example, I have access to a supply contract template. Once selected, the system automatically generates the document based on the parameters we set earlier and fills it with existing data from the system, such as counterparty details. Let's open this generated document in the desktop version of Microsoft Word. As you can see, the document is pre-filled with special tags that have been automatically populated from the document form: contract number, date, counterparty details, requisites, and so on. You can create your own library of document templates. This is a simple template, but the system also supports more complex templates with conditions and business rules. All of this is possible thanks to the system's data availability and no-code template configuration. Now that we have our contract document ready, let's proceed with processing it through the workflow, completing tasks, and signing the document. Let's move on to the Process tab. Just like with document files, I can either create a process manually or select a ready-made template. To save time, let's choose a template and see how it works. Of course, users can customize the workflow by configuring stages, assigning participants, and adjusting other parameters. However, in most cases, we standardize all processes and provide users with a set of predefined templates to choose from. In some cases, we can even bypass this step entirely. Based on the document category, type, and business direction, the system can automatically select and apply the appropriate template, allowing the user to simply launch it. Now we can see the process has been loaded. It consists of several processing stages. I can review each stage, check assigned participants, and add new participants or groups as needed. For example, if I don't mind which legal team member approves the contract, I can select the relevant role group and the task will be sent to all of them. Similarly, if I'm unsure who should receive the contract, but I know it needs to go to an accountant, I can select the accountant role and the system will automatically assign it to the responsible user based on document type, business area, and other parameters. Within each stage, I can define the type of workflow, whether tasks should run sequentially or in parallel, set deadlines and priorities, and allow or restrict users from adding new participants or delegating tasks. Additionally, I can include specific instructions for task performers and even attach a checklist to guide their actions. All of this is done without any coding. Thanks to the intuitive interface, users can configure any workflow, from approvals and signing to document tracking and control. For more complex process logic, these settings can be managed by an administrator. Since the solution is built on the low-code Power Platform, even sophisticated logic can be implemented quickly and efficiently. Right now, we've essentially configured a stage manually, but as I mentioned earlier, users don't have to do this every time. If the company has well-established processes and an administrator manages the templates, users might not even see this tab at all. Instead, They can simply initiate the process right after filling in the required fields and uploading the necessary documents. Now let's launch the process. Once the process is started, the system automatically generates tasks based on the predefined stages and notifies the assigned users. For demonstration purposes, I've assigned the first task to myself to save time and avoid switching between users. Let's take a look at how I can receive and manage my tasks. All tasks are collected in a single registry. As we can see, the task we just generated is already here. Users can view task deadlines, due dates, and if a deadline has passed, the task is highlighted in red. Additionally, bulk actions can be performed on multiple tasks at once. The system also includes substitution and delegation features, allowing tasks to be reassigned if they are assigned to someone who is on leave. All of this significantly simplifies daily operations, improves planning, and ensures transparency and control for managers. Task notifications are also sent directly to users' email. In Outlook, we can configure reminder rules, and tasks can be escalated if deadlines are significantly overdue. Additionally, all notifications can be duplicated to personal messages in Teams, a chatbot, or a shared team channel. Let's check my inbox. As you can see, I've received a notification about the task assigned to me, and I can immediately see the key details. By the way, the templates for these email notifications can be easily customized without any coding to match your company's branding and requirements. Let's open the task directly from the email. The task form opens, and it's very convenient because all the task-related details are gathered in a single additional tab alongside the document itself. Here I can see everything that was defined in the process template, while all other tabs contain the contract information. Upon receiving the task, the responsible user can review the entire document, check the attached files, view the history, and, if everything is in order, approve the document. A particularly useful feature at this stage is the Execution tab. This tab provides an overview of each process stage, who has already completed their tasks, who is currently working on them, and who has yet to start. For example, if my contract is stuck somewhere in the process, I can easily identify the responsible person and reach out to them to expedite the workflow. Another great feature in our system is the integration with Teams chats directly within the document form. I can initiate a chat to discuss the contract with colleagues. Here's how it looks. There's a short message with key document details for context. In this chat, we can discuss contract terms, schedule a call, and collaborate efficiently. Now let's go ahead and complete the task. Let's go ahead and review and sign the document right now. To do this, I'll go to my task and open the file that needs to be signed. In our system, we have several connectors for signing tools, such as DocuSign or Adobe Sign. Of course, any other signing service you use can also be integrated. Let's choose the service and sign the document. This process can be fully automated, so the task to sign would automatically be sent to the signer's role. But for now, we'll do it manually to walk through the process more closely. So let's select the user. I'll choose my test user, and they will receive an email notification to sign the document. Next, I'll need to go into the signing service and complete the signature. As you can see, everything is quick and easy, and the signed documents are stored right next to the original in your system. When it comes to exchanging documents with counterparts, we have several scenarios. You can manually send the signed document to the counterparty's email, and they can then sign it in their own service. Alternatively, we can set up automatic sending for signature in the service where we are signing, like DocuSign or Adobe Sign. Or we could implement our own solution, a B2B portal for counterparts, where you can exchange documents securely with your partners. Once all the actions in the task are completed, let's close the task and add a comment confirming everything is good. When a company creates hundreds of documents each month, it's important to organize them, link related documents, and quickly create new ones based on existing ones. For example, a contract might have many related documents, like addendums, invoices, purchase orders, or proposals. Our system lets you easily create these associated documents directly from the current documents form. Let's create an addendum for a contract. Some fields in the addendum form have already been filled out. You just need to complete a few more fields, and the new document is ready. The system automatically links it to the parent document and fills in data from related documents. Templates, workflows, and tasks can also be set up automatically when a related document is created. Navigating between related documents is simple. The breadcrumb view shows all linked documents so you can easily return to the main contract. In the main contract, you can see related documents in a tree view, open their forms, and preview their files, all in one streamlined interface. This makes everything faster and easier, helping you work more efficiently and make decisions quickly. So we've walked through the key stages of working with a document using a contract as an example. We created the document, filled in critical information, worked with files and templates, routed the document through the workflow, and completed tasks. Of course, every company has its own unique processes, and each type of document often has its own workflow. For every document, anywhere from a few to dozens of tasks are typically generated. All of this can be configured in our solution with incredible flexibility and ease. Let's now take a look at the archive, a feature every company relies on. In our system, a centralized archive is created with 24/7 access. All documents and related data are securely stored in your Microsoft 365 cloud environment. Additionally, specific archival workflows can be configured, such as document logistics or retention periods, ensuring full compliance with company policies and legal requirements. As you can see, everything is neatly organized into folders. Looking at our contract, all associated files, including the generated template and the signed document, are stored in one place. I can also filter documents, for example, by creation date. Additionally, I can export a selection of documents. With this system, you no longer need to worry about losing documents. You'll always know where to find files, and you can easily export them as needed. Finally, let's briefly review the administrator functionality. The solution includes an admin panel designed for system administrators to configure and fully manage the system's operations. For example, you can add a new user in just a few clicks, assign them a role, and define their access to specific modules. You can also manage reference directories directly within the system. For instance, I can add new user roles or create a new contractor type. Once added, users will be able to select this contractor type in the contractor card. Additionally, administrators can create new document types, process templates, and more. We've made system administration as straightforward as possible, enabling flexible configurations without requiring any programming skills. And since the solution is built on the Microsoft Power Platform, even complex processes and document forms can be created without any coding. We can also support the development of your solution, whether it's building a catalog of processes, forms, templates, and more, delivered as a turnkey service. If you prefer to develop the product internally, that's also an option. We provide detailed documentation, training sessions, and recommend courses on Microsoft Learn. This can even include an additional service, establishing a center of excellence within your company. Finally, I'd like to wrap up by talking about integrations. Let's return to the diagram we started with. Of course, a modern company cannot rely on a single system to handle all its tasks. That's why it's crucial for a process automation and document management system to support seamless integration with other tools. Our solution is fully integrated with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, as we've seen and discussed earlier. In addition, we can set up integrations with document exchange services for external contractors. The product also supports integration with corporate systems such as ERP, CRM, and more. We even offer ready-made connectors for e-signature services like DocuSign and Adobe Sign. This allows us to create a unified digital ecosystem for your company where everything works quickly and transparently. We see how companies spend thousands every day on administrative costs and face risks from inefficient processes and human errors. With softXspace365, everything operates faster and more transparently, dramatically accelerating your company's processes. This means you save time and money, reduce stress, and boost profitability. The cost of our product is designed to be accessible for businesses of all sizes. It's a small investment that pays for itself in just 3 to 6 months. Plus, the out-of-the-box setup can be implemented in just 24 hours and is completely free. You can start working in the new system as early as tomorrow. Thank you for your attention and your interest in our solution. Feel free to submit a request on our website, and we'll provide you with access to a demo version or arrange a personalized demonstration.